Hello fellow traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Friday, the 11th of May. Today was a big surprise when I woke up, and I'm sure it was to a lot of traders, that JPMorgan had a $2 billion trading loss that prompted a sell-off in financial stocks this morning. And the market's kind of opened down, but quickly attention turned to consumer sentiments. We're up to a 4-year high, I believe it was, which has kind of pushed the market back above into the positive range. Granted, not by much, but kind of flat like it was yesterday. I just want to remind all the members out there, go to your new traders blog from your MarketClub homepage, which I'll show you right here. Go to the blog, go in today's daily exchange, which kind of open up saying that stocks may see some early weakness on the JPMorgan news, but we've had some great comments in there already today. And if you go back, you can look at all the daily exchanges, and we're really sharing ideas with each other about how to use MarketClub, how to profit with the trade triangles, as well as some other fascinating topics. I urge all the members to get in there, start commenting away. You'll see myself in there, as well as several members, some of the folks here on our staff, answering questions, maybe exchanging some stock ideas. It's really a plethora of information. With that, we'll move along to the markets here. We'll start with the S&P 500. Still at a negative 60, so we're in a trading range. Monthly, long term, we're still bullish this market. Short term, we are bearish. Had that weekly trade triangle flip this week at 1358.79. As you can see, we're just kind of last 2 days have just kind of been flat. Moving along to silver. Silver's kind of is having a up day as well. Not much of one, up 0.49%. However, we're still negative 90 in a strong downtrend. We're short all phases for time frames right now. Gold, much the same story. It's actually, gold's kind of having a tougher day today. It's still down a little bit. Kind of opened up low at 1586. Kind of moved back up to kind of that area there. Kind of bounced and came back up. Still negative 90, short across the board in all time frames. Copper, having a tough day today. Actually down 0.84%. Currently at $3.64. Still plus 65. We're in that trading range. As you can kind of see, the market's kind of flattening out here a little bit. Long term and intermediate term, we're still long. Short term, we're in a sidelines mode. Crude oil. Crude oil is still negative 90, short across the board, all time frames, and as you can see, it's just kind of flat today. Opened up at 96.53, currently trading 96.61. Really nothing going on in that crude oil market other than this big down move the end of that at the beginning of this week into last week. The EURUSD still negative 90, short across the board. See, dead flat, kind of coming in here today at 1294, opened at 1292. So really no movement to speak of today. Is quite the story along the whole market right now. Same thing, CRB Index negative 100, having a little bit of a tough day today. We're short across all time frames, intermediate, long term, and short term. We had talked about Walt Disney earlier in the week as one of the stocks on the move, and sure enough, still plus 100. And I earlier on Monday, I thought we'd watch this stock and see if it could possibly potentially be a 52-week high. As on Wednesday, it made a new 52-week high at 45.80. It actually today hit that high again at 45.80. So we want to watch this stock carefully, and we'll kind of see what we're talking about here. See if I can draw this in here for you. But if you see this market get up in there and get around somewhere close to that 45.80 range. Right now here we're at 45.51. Could be very well be a potential for a 52-week high trade on the close today. So watch this carefully. Volume's good. Currently up like around that 4 million, and it's been a heavy player this week. Of course, we got long with the weekly trade triangle here at 43.65. But if you're not in this market yet, look for a close somewhere close to that 45.80 level, which should get you into that trade if you take a look at it. I would just caution with the market the way it is, though. You may really want to consider taking looking and see if you want to take that shot. But it's definitely a potential closing up around that range for that 52-week high roll. And I'll be sure to we'll post the rules later today on that as well. Another stock I found today in the new Smart Scan is PGN, Progress Energy. Had a new monthly yesterday at 54.97. Currently trading at 55.211. I know myself, I'm going to be watching this early part of next week just to see maybe get a pullback for a better entry point off of this monthly. But it's definitely closing up for today, and we'll have to see how it ends at the rest of the day. And that'll wrap it up for today. I just want to remind everybody, head over to the blog, give us some comments. If you're not a member, take the trial. It's only $8.95. You get to try MarketClub for 30 days. Get in here and see what we're talking about. Of course, I like to wish all the moms out there, especially the trading moms, a happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your weekend. I know my wife's going to with her boys. And that'd be it. Well, hopefully you have a great weekend. This is Jeremy Lutz signing off from MarketClub. And have a great weekend and happy Mother's Day.